We want to see today Lagrange's interpolation formula and its application to express the function, the given function, as sums of partial fractions. So yesterday we saw what is actually the meaning of partial fractions, right? Earlier in calculus and integration, you have seen partial fractions. When you have a function such that when you have a rational function, I will say, can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you have a rational function like this, rational function means numerator and denominator, you have polynomial function such that denominator is not zero, it's a polynomial function, and you can factorize the polynomial in the denominator into linear factors, and you can express this as a upon x minus a, small a I would say, plus b upon x minus b, and so on so forth. Okay, so you can have distinct linear factors, you can have repeated linear factors, etc. So we are going to see how we can make use of Lagrange's formula to express the given function as sums of partial fractions. So this was the function we had considered yesterday, 3x square plus x plus 2 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So actually you are already given the linear factors. Okay, the product of linear factors is given. Sometimes you may be given a polynomial and you have to factorize it. Okay, so that factorization of polynomial in the denominator, that part is already done here. So what is the working rule? What you have to do, actually you have to consider the given numerator as fx. Okay, consider that as fx and calculate its value at these linear factors. So here right now I am getting x equal to 1. If you equate this to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, then you get x equal to 1. X minus 2 equal to 0, you will get x equal to 2, x equal to 3. So you will find out the function's value, the value of fx at these numbers. Okay, so working rule is very easy. Take numerator as fx. So my fx is 3x square plus x plus 2. And now tabulate the values of fx for 1, 2 and 3. Now here the numbers are equally spaced. But it is not necessary that your numbers which you are getting, they will be equally spaced. Is that okay? Have you understood so far what I said? Yes or no? Are you there, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yesterday we had calculated these values also. If you substitute x equal to 1 in this, you get 6. X equal to 2 gives you 16. X equal to 3 gives you 32. Now we want to see how we can use Lagrange's interpolation to find the partial fractions. So next step is write the Lagrange's interpolation formula. How many values we have here? This is your x0, x1, x2, right? This is your fx0, fx1 and fx2. So you have 3 values, right? x0, x1, x2. So using these, or for these, we will write Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay, so using Lagrange's interpolation formula, we have, what do you have on the LHS? You have fx, right? You write fx on the LHS. Yes? Can you tell me the formula? Girls, can you tell me the formula?
T equals to
x minus
x minus x1
into x
into x minus x2 into x minus
no need here x minus x2. We
x
have
minus
x3.
upon
So divided by
x naught minus x1 into x naught minus x2 into f of x naught.
f of x naught plus
X minus x minus x2 upon x1 minus x naught into x1 minus x2 into fx1 plus x minus x1 no
2 minus x naught x2 minus x1 into fx2, right? Is this correct? Please substitute the values. Yes, so we have x naught, x1, x2 with us. So we will write x minus 2 into x minus 3 divided by 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 into what is fx naught? 6, no? Yes. Plus x minus 1 into x minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 into what is 16, right? Are you getting it? Plus x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 32. Okay, so let us not multiply in the numerators. Okay, you will understand the reason in the next step. Do not multiply in the numerator, just keep them as they are. X minus 2 into x minus 3, and what is this now? What is this? 6 upon what do you get? The whole thing, tell me. Minus 1 into minus 2 in the denominator, so that will become plus 2. Girls, tell me fast. 6 upon 2 will become 3, right? There is no response from your side at all.
yes ma'am.
Students, respond me. Next में बताओ चलो. Keep the brackets as they are. Do not expand them. Into, tell me this constant now. Tell me this constant.
16
16 upon what?
16 upon minus 1
Minus 1. मतलब वो हो जाएगा minus 16, right?
yes ma'am.
Minus 16 plus x minus 1 into x minus 2 into now 32 upon 2 into 1, that is 16, right? Are you getting it? What is your fx? What is your fx? 3x square
3x square plus
plus
8
x
plus
plus
2.
2, right? Now what you want? You want to express 3x square plus x plus 2 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 as sums of partial fractions. Okay. So see, that means we have 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 3 into bracket x minus 2 into bracket x minus 3 minus 16 into bracket x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus 16 into bracket x minus 1 into x minus 2. Do you understand this? Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
But what you want divided by something, na? So dividing both the sides by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, इस पूरे प्रोडक्ट से हम डिवाइड करेंगे. Therefore 3x square plus x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 would become 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 divided by, हर एक टर्म को हम डिवाइड करेंगे. Every term we will divide. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 minus 16 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So these brackets will get cancelled, and that's why I told you not to expand the numerator. Okay. अननेसेसरी हमारा काम बढ़ जाता, हमने एक्सपांड किया होता, वापस फैक्टराइजेशन करना पड़ता. तो अभी क्या हो जाएगा, this x minus 2 x minus 2 will get cancelled, x minus 3 will get cancelled. So we are left with 3 upon x minus 1, right? X minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 3. So this will become plus minus 16 upon x minus 2. Plus here x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2 will get cancelled, plus 16 upon x minus 3. Therefore 3x square plus x minus 2 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Do you understand this problem? Do you understand it?
Yes.
A upon this bracket, B upon this bracket, and C upon this bracket. That's what we have done here. Okay. So for many purposes, we require to simplify the given rational function like this. Like when we want to integrate the function, when we want to find out integration, then this easily we can do the integration using it. Now you will do one problem of this type, girls. Have you finished copying it? And are you copying it in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, trust is a very big thing, girls. I trust you that you are writing really. Do not take any screenshots. Do not do any screen recording. I am telling this to FY students also. Because that way you cannot study anything, okay? You should have it in your notebook. Unless and until you write it, as far as maths is concerned, you have to write. एक बार वो हाथ से आपके जाना चाहिए, लिखना चाहिए एक बार आपने, तभी आपको समझ में आता है. Otherwise, I would not have taken this pen tablet for you all. I would have made many PPTs and I will be happy just explaining the PPTs and completing my syllabus. But I thought I should explain each and every step to you. Okay, so you take the example. Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you do this example right now. Express the given function as sums of partial fractions. Okay? Express the given function as sums of functions. दो देती हूँ, एक अभी करो. Partial fractions using Lagrange's interpolation. Okay, the first one you have to do right now. X cube plus x minus 3 divided by x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, and the second one is x square plus 6x plus 1 divided by, here the linear factors are directly given. Okay, you have to do this right now. This is your homework. So what you have to do, your fx would be x cube plus x minus 3. You first have to factorize this denominator. What is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2? Which is surely a factor. Yes, girls. Or which is surely a root of this polynomial. Do you remember any tests? Anyone? No one is answering. What happened? Yes.
Ma'am, its roots are 1, -1 and -2.
Okay. See, the test is you add all the coefficients. Huh? 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. What is the sum of all these coefficients?
0.
0. So when sum of all the coefficients is 0, that time 1 is definitely a factor. 1 is definitely a root. When 1 is root, that means x minus 1 is a factor. Okay? Are you getting it? मतलब आपने यहाँ पे 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो आंसर इसका 0 आ जाएगा. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 0. Okay? So you can multiply, you can divide this by x minus 1. So synthetic division क्या कहता है? You write down 1 minus 1 minus 2, 1, 2. And 1 is the root. So you have to carry forward this 1. This will become minus 1. This will become minus 1. This will become minus 2. And this will become 0. That means it is x minus 1 into, अभी ये 3 से क्या बनेगा? X square minus x minus 2. And which you can factorize as x minus 2 into x plus 1. Okay? ये सारी चीजें बीइंग SYBSE स्टूडेंट्स आपको आनी चाहिए. Therefore, x cube plus x minus 3 divided by x cube minus 2x square minus x minus 2 is equal to x cube plus x minus 3 divided by, क्या है आपके फैक्टर्स बताओ अभी. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखो इसे आप. x minus minus 1 लिखो, x minus 1 and x minus 2, so that you will recognize your numbers. Okay. So this will be x minus minus 1. I am writing x minus 1 and x minus 2. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So let f
Yes,
of
yes.
x be x minus x minus 3. And at this now you will calculate at these x values. आपकी x values क्या क्या आई है? -1, 1 and 2. Calculate fx values and do. Now I am not going to do the rest part. The rest part is mechanical. Complete it. By the time I will take your attendance now. मुझे आंसर चाहिए इसी लेक्चर में इसका. Yes, roll number 1.
Roll number 1 present.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Ma'am.
7,
Ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20, 20, Tanvi, 21.
Present, ma'am.
Pratiksha, you were absent yesterday, day before yesterday. 4 absentees I can see. Huh? What makes you to
Ma'am,
report
on the
absent?
third lecture I was present.
Third lecture. Do you remember the dates? I'm talking about 22nd September. You were present on 22nd September.
24th, ma'am. 24th.
24th. I will check it. You have to make sure you all can see my attendance sheet, no? Yes or no? Can you see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Excel sheet? So you have to make sure कि आपके नाम के आगे P आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. 23 साक्षी तिवटणे.
Yes, it is.
Present, ma'am.
साक्षी तू पण ऍबसेंट आहे हा बरेचदा. मनीषा हरगोली. 24 ठीक है. 25 प्रसिद्धि. 26 सृष्टि.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
27 श्रद्धा.
Excuse me, ma'am. मॅम कालचे दोन्ही लेक्चरला प्रेझेंट होते मी.
कोण? सृष्टी.
येस मॅम, ते माईक चालत नव्हता, ते लॅपटॉप हँग झाला म्हणून
तुम्हाला
सांगता नाही आलं.
मेसेज केला होता ना.
हो मॅम.
श्रद्धा सुर्वे का येत नाहीये ग लेक्चरला? Why she is not attending the lectures? वैभवी चव्हाण.
Present, ma'am.
भाग्यश्री.
Ma'am.
हर्षदा.
Present, ma'am.
प्रतीक्षा ओवाळ तर काही येतच नाहीये. गायत्री. पूजा शर्मा.
Present, ma'am.
साक्षी शिंदे. सेजल चव्हाण. दर्शनी बाबर,
Present, ma'am.
निकिता, दिसत नाही मला इथे स्पीकिंग मध्ये का नाही येते निकिता? हा. मानसी इंगवले,
Ma'am.
भक्ति सावंत, ब्लैकलिस्ट लगाने वाली हूँ मैं आप लोगों की, बहुत जरूरत है। गायत्री पुजारी, मोक्षदा,
Present, ma'am.
कुठे मोक्षदा बोल परत, तुझं नाव येईल.
Present, ma'am.
श्रुती तोडकर, ही गायबच आहे श्रुती तोडकर. दीप्ती राठोड गायब आहे का आत्ता दीप्ती राठोड? सोडून दिलं का विचारा यांना जरा. जिंदू,
Present, ma'am.
शेफाली, रसिका, मृणाल, मृणाल कोकरे, देवश्री, पूनम वर्मा.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, roll number 49.
कोण आहे 49?
Shravani.
हा,
Shravani.
श्रावणी कुठे होती तू इतके दिवस?
मॅम घरी प्रॉब्लेम होता म्हणून नव्हते आले नेक्स्ट प्रेझेंट.
तू पहिलं लेक्चर अटेंड करतेय का आज?
नाही मॅम, त्या दिवसापासून म्हणजे डे आफ्टर टुमॉरो पासून परवापासून
डे
करते
आफ्टर
मी.
टुमॉरो यायचं आहे श्रावणी अजून.
नाही मॅम, सॉरी
काय
मॅम,
बोलायचंय, कधीपासून अटेंड करतेय तू?
परवापासून करते मॅम.
डे बिफोर यस्टरडे म्हणतात.
मॅम चुकून आलं ते.
आणि काल पण होती का तू?
हा, काल दोन्ही पण लेक्चरला होते.
बोलली का नाही मग?
मग मला दिसलंच नाही की नाव नव्हतं माझं ते.
आता अभ्यास करा, सगळ्या नोट्स कम्प्लीट करा, व्हिडिओज बघा.
हा,
6 तारखेपासून आहेस तू, 6 तारीख का?
काय मॅम?
6च ना, तू डे बिफोर यस्टरडे म्हणतीये. माझं लेक्चर
हा.
6ला होतीस का तू? का
हो
9?
मॅम.
डे बिफोर यस्टरडेला 8 तारीख होती. 8ला माझं
Yes,
लेक्चर होतं. मग तू 9 तारखेला काल पहिलं लेक्चर अटेंड केलं का?
नाही मॅम, ते वेबॅकचा प्रॉब्लेम होत होता ना त्या दिवसापासून. वेबॅक्सचा प्रॉब्लेम होत होता ना.
वेबेक्सचा प्रॉब्लेम कालच परवा झाला होता. हा,
परवा झाला.
काल मी किती लेक्चर्स घेतली तुमची? 2 घेतली ना? मग परवा कधी? गुरुवारी मी लेक्चर 15 मिनिटं घेतलं का? त्या दिवशी मी अटेंडन्सच नाही घेतलेला तुमचा.
हा,
ठीक आहे, सम झालं का सॉल्व? गर्ल्स, एनीवन हॅज फिनिश्ड इट? Yes. What is fx at -1?
-5.
कुठे गेला माझा कर्सर? -5. ओके. 1 -1.
-1.
-7.
7.
क्या करना है? Now we want to write the formula. Lagrange's formula, right? So it will be fx equal to x minus x1, x minus x2 divided by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2. सी अगर बुक में x1 x2 x3 लिए जाते हैं इनके नाम इंस्टेड ऑफ x naught x1 x2, then accordingly you have to write the formula. Okay, do not get confused. I always start it with x0. Okay, that's why x0 appears in my formula. But some books they'll write it as x1 x2 x3. So accordingly your formula will be changed. Do you understand my point?
Yes, ma'am.
It's all about naming the variables. x1 minus x2 into fx1 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 upon x2 minus x naught x2 minus x1 into fx2. Right. So fx is, what is your fx? Therefore x cube plus x minus 3 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into, सही कर रही हूँ क्या मैं, into minus 1 ठीक है. Is it correct, Riddhi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
X minus 3 divided by 2 minus minus 1, 2 minus 3 into minus 1. माइनस 1 ही है ना वो, या माइनस, हाँ माइनस 1 एंड प्लस x minus minus 1 x minus 1 upon
It's x minus 3.
यहाँ पे गलत हो गया ना, this is 1 and this is also 1, correct, and this is 2, correct. आपके पॉइंट्स ये है ना, -1 1 and 2 ऐसे है ना पॉइंट्स.
Yes.
हाँ मैम, नीचे किया है मैम.
हाँ
1 minus minus 1 minus 2.
1 minus
3 x में.
this will become now 2 minus minus 1 into यहाँ पे गलत लिखा है मैंने, सेवन. So what is this? -5 upon -2 into -3, that is +6. So this will become -5 by 6, right? Plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 into 2 into -1, so half, ये हाफ आ जाएगा. Plus this will be x plus 1 into x minus 1 into 7 upon 3. ठीक है, फाइनल आंसर बताओ अभी, चलो गिव मी द फाइनल आंसर.
X minus 1 minus 2 is equal to -5 by 6 into 1/.
ये -5/6 नहीं आ रहा है उनका कहीं पे।
वही आ रहा था।
मैम इट्स +5/6.
प्लस भी नहीं आ रहा है रे, प्लस कैसे आएगा रे? ये प्लस होता है ना, ये दिस इज -2 into -3, so that will become +6 and this is -5.
It is -5/6
ठीक है, -5/6 divided by what?
divided by x plus. Ma'am, we can write it as -5/6 into 1/x plus 1 is the same, no?
-5 या -5/6 times x plus 1 ऐसा लिखा तो भी चलेगा,
Yeah.
but usually we don't write it like this.
No, ma'am, I was asking that it's not wrong, no?
No, it's not wrong, it's not wrong. चलेगा। यहाँ पे
X
नीचे क्या आ रहा है?
plus 7/3 x minus 2.
इनका आंसर क्या आ रहा है मैं लिख रही हूँ अभी, देखो बुक
X minus 2, ma'am.
बुक वालों का आंसर ये आ रहा है 1/2 into x minus 1 plus 1/x minus 2 minus 1/2 into x plus 1. So please verify your answer whether this is correct or this is correct.
Ma'am, I'm also getting these bracket is 7/3 on x minus 2.
7/3 नहीं मिल रहा है? ये है, आपने ही बताया ना, ये 7 आ रहा है ना अभी आंसर 2 के लिए।
Yes, ma'am.
डिनोमिनेटर में x-2 है मैम, नॉट x-1.
कहाँ पे? हाँ, यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ मैं, ये मैंने गलती से लिखा है। अभी ये बुक का आंसर समझा आपको? ये दोनों वेरीफाई करो, वेरीफाई योर आंसर। देखो अल्टीमेटली ये करने के बाद, ये पूरा ऐसा करने के बाद आपको ये मिलना चाहिए। ओके, तो दोनों आंसर्स वेरीफाई करो एंड कंफर्म योर आंसर। ओके, so this is how you can make use of Lagrange's interpolation.
The calculation. Okay.
Do the second problem also. Have you all submitted the assignment?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Who is your CR?
Ma'am, myself and David Sri.